So in this vlog, I will be teaching you how to register your account in Daily Passive. So of course, your coach will give you the website on where you're going to register your account. And of course, when you reach there, there is this and the bit, and this and the bit is actually your customer service. So this is your login page, but of course you cannot log in yet because of course you are still to register your account. So what you're going to do is you have to create your own account here. And then of course there are some choices that you're going to see. So what you're going to do is you have to click the not yet a member and then register here. And then when you are going to click that area, you are going to be directed on this page, and you will be asked to have your username, your password, and at the same time you're going to make sure that your username is actually unique with your own. So you have to make sure that there will be no a duplicate username, and then make sure that your password is alphanumeric and the password is actually unique, and at the same time you're going to memorize that password because that will be used every time you're going to log in your account. And then you are going to fill up then your first name, and then of course complete first name, and at the same time you are going to include also your family name or your last name, and of course you're going to make sure that it's actually complete when you are going to enter it. And make sure also that you're going to enter a valid email address. When I say valid, it means that that email address is actually working, because you'll be also using that email address in your XP Plus account later. And then of course you're going to choose the country where you lived. So if you're an OFW, you can choose the country Philippines. So Daily Passive is existing in United Kingdom, in Canada, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, United States, China, Thailand, Philippines, Pakistan, Hong Kong, Singapore, India, Indonesia, Brunei, Dubai, Guam, and also in Malaysia. So you're going to choose Philippines then. And then of course you're going to enter your valid mobile number. So you have to make sure that your mobile number is the same as with your XP account later. So that will be important. And then of course it is actually very important also for you to make sure that the email address is going to be the same as what you'll be registering in your XP Plus later on. And then of course you're going to write then the coach or the name of your upline, so referred by tab. And of course you're going to paste here your activation code, and then that will be used in the activation. So after that, you're going to click then the submit button. So when you click the submit button, you will be directed to registration is successful. So since I have already my account, this is for tutorial, you are going to log in your account now. So this is your login page, and then you're going to immediately click the login, especially if you have set your account into remember my username and password. So when you're going to click that, you'll be directed into your dashboard already. So since this is my dashboard, so I am actually having this earnings already, since this is my 31st day of being a member. So my account is already active now. So that's it. Thank you. Then you may now log out your account to make sure that there will be no one who will actually be using that. So that's it. Thank you so much.